Just stretching their legs. It's fucking freezing. Got the old dogs out, trying to get the pads right. Got the winter storm coming in. We didn't get any snow. Might see a rabbit. It's rabbit season, but I don't have a gun. And I'd have to shoot one-handed. I got some puppies that are kind of gun shy. I'm trying to run them to get it out of that. Their mom was gun shy. But after 2 years old, she actually just worked her way out of it. Now she comes running, looking for the rabbit. She know what it means. Look, I think I just saw a rabbit right there. Yeah, he just went by. Let's see. I'm seeing stuff. It's really cold. I'm north of Baton Rouge.